Small trim, and we're gonna put on the big trim. So there's 2 screws here. Oops. You can't see it. 1 screw, 2 screws. So this just comes out and lifts up. And you can see that here again. So you see those little screws? So we'll take this one off and then we'll put the big trim on. So same deal. This one's a little trickier because it's just a little bit heavier. But this goes on like this first. So you get the trim down, in, and then you push in. And you put on the big one. And secure it back with the 2 screws. Just like so. And you're done.